Hello and very welcome to another Lampi tutorial in a series of Lampi tutorials. In this tutorial we will talk about Open Sound Control, or in short OSC. Setting up OSC requires a few other things. You need to have access to a computer, either running macOS or Windows, and access to a tablet or phone running Android or iOS. We recommend using the Touch OSC application from Hexler.net, which you can also download by scanning the QR code from within the Show Setup menu. However, other OSC softwares should work just fine as well. Let's just jump right in. Let's go to the Setup menu by clicking on the menu button, the gear icon, and go to the Show Settings. From within the Show Settings, scroll down to Open Sound Control. Make sure Open Sound Control is enabled. You may scan this QR code to access the Hexler.net website directly. After you downloaded all the applications to your devices, please start the Hexler Touch OSC editor, open the Lampi OSC file provided by Highlight, and click on the Sync button. Make sure your mobile device and your computer are on the same Wi-Fi. Then, in the Touch OSC application, click on Layout and Add. Now, click on the Found Hosts section. If you already have a layout with the same name, the Touch OSC application on your smart device will ask you if you want to overwrite the current file. If you're fine with that, click on OK. Now make sure the Touch OSC file is selected in the Layout section. Now go to Options, make sure that Send Ping is enabled, set the delay to 60 seconds and go back. Go to the connection setting, make sure it's enabled, and in the host setting, enter the IP address of the console. When you're done, go back. Click on Done, and Touch OSC should connect automatically. You can see the IP address of the console in the System Settings, Network Settings box. After you did this, you should be able to control the Lampi console from your tablet or phone just fine. Via Touch OSC, you have access to most functions on the console. Please note that multifunction faders 11 and 20 and 21 to 30 are only available if you're having a Lampi 40. You can also access the virtual executors, and you can even access the programming interface. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you check back for more tutorials soon.